Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable location services of Grubhub. So let's get started. If you want to get better location search result on this app, then this video might be helpful. First, open settings on your mobile device. Now scroll down and tap on apps option. Then select manage apps. Now, in the search bar, type in Grubhub and perform your search. Now, tap in Grubhub app. Once you're on the screen, tap on Apps Permissions option. To enable location services of Grubhub, tap on the location option which is under Not Allowed option. And then select Allow while using the app option. And this is how you can enable location services of Grubhub. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.